major electronic component manufacturers ARM, Qualcomm, and Samsung have announced new mobile chips with clock speeds of some reaching as high as 2.5 GHz. The issue when increasing clock rates isn't always the size of the mobile phone components, but rather the energy efficiency. As the advancement of battery capacity is practically at a standstill, electronic parts which may consume more energy will greatly reduce the battery life of future smartphones. One of the biggest companies in this field, showcased the Cortex A15 MP-Core 28232 nanometer architecture-based chip, which will comprise of a dual-core processor and support quad-core processors as well. The frequency of these CPUs could go up to 2.5 GHz, but as it has just been announced, it will only power handhelds from 2012, according to ARM's roadmap. Samsung commented that it would make available a processor comprising of two ARM Cortex A9 chips on devices it may unveil during the next year. Samsung smartphones, tablets, and even low-power netbooks could run on the Samsung Orion processor, which will go into mass production during the first half of 2011. The chip will handle 3D graphics and full HD content, but will be limited to 1 GHz in clock speed. Qualcomm produces the widely used Snapdragon processor, providing 1 GHz of energy-efficient power to many high-end smartphones, mainly those running on Google Android. The company has confirmed that its 1.5 GHz dual-core QST 8672 CPU for handsets is on track for an expected Q4 release to manufacturers. The MSM8X60 processor with 1.2 GHz in clock speed in each of its two cores will also be made available, but from next year. South Korean electronics giant LG has opted to join hands with Nvidia and will offer smartphones based on the Tegra 2 chip from the end of the year, with the first device belonging to the Optimus brand, possibly a Windows Phone 7 handset. The chip supports a dual-core ARM Cortex A9 1 GHz processor, a GeForce GPU, and full HD multimedia playback. For Phone Report, I am Mera Chaya from Johannesburg, South Africa.